Everyone, so this side Devanshi, I'm a PLLB fourth year student, and today we will going to discuss some important words of the Hindu law. Yes, I have made, and we have, watched so many videos regarding legal magazines, regarding some more topic of, legal world. But today I'm going to tell you some important words of Hindu law. Yeah, we always eager to learn the acts. We always eager to learn the subjects. We always watch so many videos, but we never focus on the important words that comes in between the act. So I'll discuss some of the most important word of Hindu law which you have to know, because legal language, legal English, legal words according to me are so difficult to understand, and no one will gonna tell us the meaning of that. Everyone will tell you the definition, sections, article, order, but no one will gonna tell you about that small words which make the sense of whole section, whole sentence, whole order. मतलब no one gonna tell you the meaning of those words. No one will gonna explain you the meaning of those words and tell you how important those words for that particular section. So we will discuss those kind of words which we generally misinterpret and mispronounced, and because of that we always face difficulty to understand the section. And according to me, not with me, always try to figure out some important words while you reading the section, while you learning the section. Whenever you start with your barracks, whenever you start learning the section, whenever you start reading the section, try to mark some important words, because those words are only the key to make that whole section, to describe that whole section. So always try to figure out by your own too. Even I am also going to tell you the meaning of those words, but try to figure out the meaning of those words by your own, not in Hindu law, but in each and every law. Before reading the section, before learning the section, just try to figure out those meaning, those words which make the sense of the whole section, which make the sense of the whole order. It will be more beneficial for you to understand the meaning of those sections, and it will develop a habit. It will develop a habit in your daily routine, or in your life, in your schedule, so that you can easily identify the whole section without facing or having any kind of difficulty. So try to learn those words, and I'm going to tell you some words like that only, even with the proper meaning. So whenever I'll start with the word, just take a pen and pencil. Whenever you will going to watch this video, whenever my video popped up in your screen, so always take a pencil and a notebook, or you can use your notepad of your phone, and the word, and just write the word with full meaning, and then study the meaning, read the meaning, have some knowledge of those words, and then start your section. Start reading your section. You will amazed to see that you will easily understand the whole section without facing any kind of difficulty. So let's begin with those kind of words in Hindu law. So the first word that I will tell you, that is the illegitimate. So basically, you know about legal and illegal. We all know, not even you, even I also know the meaning of legal and illegal. What is meaning of legal and illegal? The meaning of legal is whenever you will do any kind of work that is properly approved by someone, or whenever you do any kind of work regarding our country, regarding our constitution, regarding our legal system, so that will be directly approved by the court. So that thing is legal. Like, I'm drunk today, okay, and I'm going to drive the car. I'm drunk and I'm going to drive the car. So is this thing make a sense? Or is this legal? Drink and drive is legal in India? No. So what is this? Is illegal. So defined है, because court ने उसे approve नहीं किया तो वो illegal हो गया. Okay. Now tell me, I'm going to the market and buy some vegetables. Okay. So I'm going to the market and buy some. Is this legal in India? Yeah. Because this is my fundamental right that I can do anything. Right to life. I can put up anything. I can buy anything. I can walk anywhere. I can go anywhere. So this is my right. This is my fundamental right. And this defined under Article 21 of right to life. Whatever I want to do, I can do. But that is approved by court, that is approved by our parliament, that is made by our legislature. So this is a legal term. लीगल मीन्स होता है कि जिस चीज़ पे आपको अप्रूवल है कि आप वो काम कर सकते हो. इलीगल का मतलब होता है वो काम पे आपका कोई अप्रूवल नहीं है. Similarly, I took an example that is illegitimate. Sorry, drink and drive. I'm sorry. So on that time, drink and drive is not legal in India. That is not approved by court, legislature or parliament somewhere. So this is an illegal term. So similarly, the synonym of illegal is illegitimate. सिंपल वर्ड में illegitimate का मतलब होता है जो चीज़ नाजायज़ हो, जो चीज़ जायज़ ना हो, जिस पे कोई अप्रूवल ना हो, एनीथिंग विच इज़, और जो कि एक्सेप्टेबल ना हो लॉ के थ्रू या किसी नॉर्मल सोसाइटी के थ्रू, हमारे सोसाइटी नॉर्म्स के थ्रू. इट इज़ एंड more easy way to learn the meaning of illegitimate is it is the synonym of the word illegal. So illegitimate, anything which is not acceptable by the law or which the law does not recognize as legal. कोई भी चीज़ जो कि लॉ के थ्रू एक्सेप्टेबल ना हो और जिसे लॉ ने रिकॉग्नाइज ना किया हो कि ये लीगल है, वो इलेजिटिमेट हो गई, इलीगल हो गई. तो इट इज़ एक तरीके से देखा जाए इट इज़ अ सिनोनिम ऑफ इलीगल. सो जस्ट राइट दिस वर्ड इन योर नोटबुक, इन योर नोटपैड एंड लर्न द मीनिंग ऑल्सो. राइट विद द मीनिंग, ओके, एंड स्टडी द मीनिंग, रीड द मीनिंग and then study the whole section. Wherever this word pop up, you will easily define, you will never gonna face the difficulty regarding that section कि यार ये word का meaning तो मुझे पता ही नहीं, section तो हुआ ही नहीं. क्योंकि आधे sections हम समझ इसीलिए नहीं पाते because हमें words का मतलब पता ही नहीं होता है. तो अब आपको सेक्शन पढ़ने में प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी बिकॉज ये वर्ड जहाँ पर भी आएगा यू विल ईजिली मेक इट. सो दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वीडियो. थोड़ा सा लेक्चर ज़्यादा हो गया बट प्लीज़ टेक इट सीरियसली बिकॉज इट्स रियली, इफ़ यू आर इन अ लीगल फील्ड, it's really important for me also. Even I'm also developing this habit of writing some important word which popped up in the section in the legal part, so that we can easily define the section. Now we can easily read the section, we can easily learn the section without facing any kind of difficulty. So that's it for this video, and I'll going to discuss some more important words of Hindu law in my next video. Till then, good day.